Alam niyo naman ang trabaho ng distributor, gagawa ka lang ng grupo. Maintain yung grupo. Expand yung grupo kung saan nag-expand yung company. Tama o tama? But during that time, nag-ambisyon akong mag-level up. Sabi ko, ang dami hindi ko magawa simply because I'm just a distributor. Ang dami hindi ko mapag-desisyon simply because I'm a distributor. Wala akong say kung saan papunta yung product line, wala akong say kung saan papunta yung company, wala akong say in a lot of things. So sabi ko, why not put up a company so I could say 100% on what to do and where to go and what's the future. So tinawagan ko yung business colleague. Sabi ko, kapitan. Nagkape kami alas-alas ng madaling araw. This guy, sanay ko kumita ng 1 million buwan-buwan. Way back 18 years ago. So sabi ko, gusto kong magtayo ng company ka-partner kita. Having said that, ang dami na namin ang pag-usapan. Pagkatapos ng gabi yun, hindi na kami pala makakano. We started contemplating, we started creating, we started calling up our friends, our acquaintances, hanggang sa nakabuo kami ng grupo. And that was the birth of Any Global, 18 years ago. May mga usapan kami sa gasoline station. Bakit sa gasoline station, no? Kasi active pa ako sa company ko before. Active pa siya sa company niya before. Active pa siya sa company niya before. So nakikita kami madaling araw. And when we finally launched this, nakakatuwa. When we finally launched this, simply because we were just top distributors nung company pinanggalingan namin. Marami din sabi, hindi ba yung mga yan? Ba't kayo ng company? Hindi magtatagal yan. Ang pinakagustong-gusto kong narinig doon, sabi nung pinanggalingan kong company, oh, God! Good luck. Sabi nung CEO ng company pinanggalingan ko, good luck. Sabi ka, baka hindi magtagal yung 3 months, sarado na yan. So, nung nakarating yung balita sa akin yun, mas lalo ko na-challenge. Sabi ko, I don't want to make a company na pang-Pilipinas lang. I don't want to make a company na makikilala lang sa Pilipinas. Makikilala lang sa Ortigas, makikilala lang sa Pasig, sa Metro Manila, sa Laguna, sa Batangas. I want this company to go on a global scale. It's ambitious. It's an ambitious goal. Can you imagine, Pilipinas, makakagawa ng company, makakarating sa iba't ibang mga bansa? Bihira yun. Bihira yun, lalo na for a direct sales company. Jollibee na, it took them how many years bago makarating sa ibang bansa? And yet, when we are just starting, ang taas ka na doon pangalan pa lang eh. Global. Pag binabanggit yung kalaban, hindi nila alam, i-empower nila na. Kung dyan ka sa idioma, isisip mo, pati sila binabanggit, global tayo. Positive ka na. So, from day one, we were living a dream and ambition na maging global scale. Scale it up on a global operation. Pero hindi siya ganun katulad. Hirap. Dami nagsasabing, imposible yan from day one. So what are the challenges during that time? How can a startup company go global from day one? Sabi ko, sige, hanap tayo ng product. Since I'm a doctor, hanap tayo ng malupit na product at malupit na supplier. Supplier, big enough para magkaroon ng trips. Everybody say trips. Anong trip yan, Doc? Yung parang, puso-puso sa Bangkok. trips, travel. So nakahanap kami ng supplier from the US in the name of Nature's Way. Nature's Way, 18 years ago, is already a billion-dollar company. 500, 600 product lines. Manufacturer at iba't ibang mga supplements in the US. So, in-email ko sila. Pagka-email ko sa kanila, tinawagan ako na Filipino coordinator nila. After an exchange of email, after 2 weeks, yung president and CEO lumipad na sa Pilipinas. Interested in partnering with us. Paglipad nito sa Pilipinas, ang pag-uusapan, how can we be exclusive with their products na gagawin para sa atin? Challenge number 1. Nung mag-meeting kami ng 9 o'clock ng umaga, my mother-in-law died something like 3 in the morning that day. Puyat na puyat. Frustrated. Nagdadalawahani. Nakatin ka ba ako sa meeting? Kamamatay lang na mother-in-law ko. Diba? Nakauwi kami mga 7 in the morning. Nagtulog. It was a very shocking experience for us. Simply because she got operated a few days prior to that. Palabas na siya ng hospital. Magaling na sana. May mga complications of a bypass heart surgery. So sabi ko, hindi ako makaka-attend. Or kung a-attend ako, malilate ako. So wala ka sa mission. Wala ka sa mission, hinabol ko pa rin yung meeting. I was late. Pagdating ko doon, sinabi ko, my mother-in-law died a few hours ago. They wanted to cancel the meeting. Pero sabi na sa akin, no, sabi ko, no, let's proceed. The show must go on. Nakakarinig pa kayo? Minsan may mga presentation, may mga Zoom, may mga closing, pero di mo feel. Tama. Bakit? Nag-away kayo, tapos mag-closing ka, sasabihin mo, away! May pinagdadaanan ka, tapos mag-closing ka, nangigigil ka, away! Nakaka-relate ba? Yes! May pinaghuhugutan ba? Minsan may problema kang mabigat, pero kinakailangan mong humarap. The show must go on. Showbiz yan. Business must go on as usual. Tuloy ako sa meeting. Lutang yung utak ko, kuya, nagdadalawhati. Anong sa akin ng CEO ng Nature's Way? How will you sell our products? Sabi ko, I will sell it through direct sales and network marketing. Sabi sa akin, network what? Network marketing. More like an Amway. Sinabi ko na kasi alam eh. Amway, hindi mo Amway. So how do you plan? How do you plan to sell products? Sabi ko, I will create an office with a huge seminar room, probably around 300 to 500 seating capacity. And I will fill it up with people every day, 3 times a day, to explain about your products and the business that we have. O kwento ko yung produkto mo at negosyo namin at bibenta kami araw-araw. Sabi ng CEO, and you will sell our products that way? Sabi ko, yes. Tapos nagbubulong-bulungan sila. Lutang ka na, puyat ka na. So sabi ko doon sa ka-partners ko, bro, medyo nabibingi ako eh. Ano mo pinagsasabi nila? Nabubulong-bulungan. Doon, parang hindi naniniwala. Sabi sa akin, galingan mo ang paliwanag. English na yan, galingan mo. Puyat ka nga, lutang ka nga, nagdadalawhati ka nga. Sabi ko, it's like this. On each product that we will purchase from your company, we will create an income opportunity wherein they can sell the products for a higher price. Sabi sa akin, so there will become a reseller? More likely so. Sabi ko, distributor, reseller, something like that. Sabi ko sa isang partner ko, Dok, ihilit mo agad yung street para makarating tayo sa US. Sabi ko, wala pa nga tayong benta yung street yan. Kasi pinanggalingan ng company, every year, in fairness, nag-US trip siya. At yung US trip, may malaking pang-come-on para sumali at bumenta. Tama o tama? Kasi huminga na ka ng malalim. Sabi ko, by the way, we also like to have a US trip so that we could see your manufacturing plant, so we could see how you are creating our products. Sabi sa akin, before we start sending you guys in your group to the US to see our manufacturing plant, you need to achieve the quota, the target sales that we will impose in your company. And nakadalawang tasa na ako ng kape. Gising na ako. Tapos alam mo yung medyo tinamaan yung ego mo. Kasi, puti, tapos sasabihin ka na, you need to achieve the target sales before you go to the US. Sumagot na ako, okay, throw me a number that I need to hit so you can start sending us to the US. Kumuha ng ballpen, kumuha ng papel, nagsulat ng numero. Mga numero, daming zero. This is the amount of sales and the amount of capsule you need to sell so that we can start sending your group to the US. Pinakita sa akin. Pagtingin sa akin ngayon, compute na agad ako ganun. Umiling lang ako. Akala nila yung iling, hindi ko kaya. Yung iling, sa loob-loob ko, ang dali naman ito. Ask me why. And network marketing eh. Yung pinanggalingan ng company, alam ko yung benta ng grupo ko eh. Isang leg pa lang, kaya-kaya ko to eh. Yung kapartner ko, isang leg pa lang, kaya-kaya to eh. Tapos kung pag isang buong taon, nang leg na ang lahat, when we signed that contract, on our first 6 months, na-achieve na namin yung quota pang 1 year. Sa sobrang excited namin pumunta sa US, siyempre, ipapasa ko lang naman sa marketing plan yan. Di gumawa kami ng marketing plan. In-include dun yung US trip. O nakakatawa, ang unang nag-qualify sa US, yung unang global ambassador. So there were many challenges. Kung challenges, cycle ang pag-uusapan, hindi matatapos ang gabi nito, probably linggo, ang dami yung maririnig na challenges. Baka yung iba hindi alam. Magbibigay lang ng isa na probably hindi nyo alam na ngayon nyo lang maalala.